My name is Alvin Smalls, owner of Lily Baked Goods in Harlem, Rugelach by brother. The Rugelach is a Jewish pastry made with a cream cheese and butter dough, raisin, walnuts, flour, not too much eggs. 1962, I came to New York, and I started working in the New York hospital, peeling onions, and they had a bakery there, so I went there to work. Through time, I went to school. I learned a lot of Jewish stuff, babka, hamantash, all that stuff I can make. Baking is a dying art. Nobody's doing it like they used to do. All the bakers like myself, a few of us left. See, I love sweets, so I just change everything around. I fix it the way I like it. At Lily's, we make raspberry, apricot, chocolate, sometimes fruit. First thing you do, you mix the butter, cream cheese, vanilla, flour, and sugar. You have to make the dough a little sit a while. Summertime, you keep it in the refrigerator because the butter melts easily on the table. Wintertime, it's always stiff, so you have to take it out of the refrigerator at least half an hour, 45 minutes. And you roll it out. You have to make about 300 pieces, 200 pieces. Not too thin, because too thin, the fruit can go through. Make sure you put the flour on top. Roll it. When you roll it, it's flakey. For the raisin, we usually cook it so it can get nice and plump, and so it can stay wet. A little honey to give a flavor. When we put it on top, it's moist, so I keep the Rugelach moist inside. Moist inside, flaky on the outside. That's it. And then you roll it up. It's a lot of process. 4 or 5 other things goes to it, I can't say it, Joe. Then you'll be better than me. Hispanic people, black people, all kinds of people, everybody loves the Rugelach. Everybody, even the kids. We have to go up in the price through the years. Start off 50 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, $1.25 last week. We just went up Saturday, $1.50. I didn't want to do that, but everything's handmade. Everything. So we put the icing on, the powdered sugar on the Danish. I love everything but baking, period. It's not a boring job at all. I'm rolling dough. I had 2 spine surgeries behind it. But it's fun. People come and say, hey, stuff is good, it make you feel good, right?